Hello and welcome to In the Kitchen with Matt. I am your host, Matt Taylor. Today I have a simple, easy video for you. I'm going to show you how to make homemade powdered sugar. A lot of times I'll get questions, someone ran out of powdered sugar or they don't have powdered sugar on hand and they ask for a substitute. Typically it's with frosting or icing videos. And so here is how you can substitute it by making your own homemade powdered sugar, provided you have granulated sugar at home. Super easy to do, only 2 ingredients. If I can do it, you can do it. Before we move on, make sure to subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any of my new videos. Let's get started. So in order to make powdered sugar, you need either a food processor or a powerful blender. And what we need to do is we will take 1 cup of white granulated sugar, and you can tell that it's nice and granulated, that sugar. And we want to blend that up until it becomes powder. Pretty awesome. And we are also going to add 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. The cornstarch is optional, but it's good to add it because it helps keep the powdered sugar dry. But technically, you can make this with just granulated sugar. But if you're going to use the cornstarch for every 1 cup of sugar, you use 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. Now let's put on that lid and we'll start mixing. And we're going to do this for about 5 minutes total, 4 to 5 minutes. And you can see the powder already coming off. Let's take a look. Oh yeah, it's getting even more fine. Might be hard for you to tell, but the sugar is getting even more fine. Now it's like fine caster sugar, but we need to keep going because it's not powdered sugar yet. And then after 4.5 to 5.5 minutes, you will be left with a nice powdered sugar that you can use for all of your powdered sugar needs. Pretty awesome. And that is how you make powdered sugar at home. Really easy to do. If I can do it, you can do it. I'm Matt Taylor. This has been another episode of In the Kitchen with Matt. Thank you for joining me. As always, if you have any questions, comments, or requests, put them down below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Thumbs up, down the corner, push it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos. Take care.